Oduro says see a Ghana ha internet and I say or Kasama Ghana Telecom say one more shall no more you see a data no so 10 cedis in do 30 minutes grana aside then buy and I data no train edu from moja mo de ya Prophet Kofi Oduro was doing who I want yes Ghana internet ni nyina ye bibia ne boa ye denden na so wura broach memoir bibia free na ye de 10 cedis kakra no so e ba koto e dia be ye niema no so eno so na Ghana fo afa sa na man ye wo Equatorial Guinea no nyamra so mo ye wahwe ankrofo yeremu ahemu na emba bi bom abase se sani tedwe eso wa emodu eno ntina man wo mani je ho asabi wo majeja wo mo ho amom no eno so prophet e de ho nsem aba anode sanso no de ensem mi efa eye Ghana dollar bebia na ewo ani se sianso bebia Ghana kodu Ghana ye koye ni manase ye bayechi me prophet mra
very soon ubakra bema so obeware oba so ne ne bedai it will be over make we yembe show very soon they are going to be robots who have sex ukunu so mo so wabre ukunu so mo wabre obawa afo no atimi koda hotel na bema fufro fa no the video asine so ukunu so mo so wabre na bema fufro the camera asi wo so fa will be funny true and church is quiet and we are looking at you now me didn't say dwaman de nka mema na no mo wa kukudru bi e de boy dwaman I never knew that women have lost shame. Integrity is gone. I didn't know that we have now come to the place where some women have the courage to sleep with the gentleman will ask, can I film? She said, film. Where is our pride? Where is our dignity? I promise you Central region, boy city me so Kendall. A fasha we need and Bijinani them no so Kendall and call it Seliwa. Said, I'm going to have sex with you until the candle is exhausted. Or no munuro aphrodisiacs. Or yet sex and ano brow says sorry coach and ano abetuaso. Or chino bano candle nansa or siminia ba cometuaso mame. I mean women, where is the dignity? Multiple men are looking at your nakedness and you have no shame. You know, when I talk about things like that, you'll be like, oh, ow, sir, ow, ow. But there are people seated here who are in a different dimension. Politicians, campaign. By now, they should be at their constituencies. Look at the great man sitting next to his wife. He been super to our girlfriend, so honorable Ubeluzu, Ubeluzu serious. Honorable, what do you two so far girls in the campaign? Me say Ubeluzu. Look at it. You're not an honorable person. Even if you're honorable, they are not honorable. Brasonya mimu you. Because money and power and influence and fame has the ability to steal your heart. It has that ability. Or you can clap your hands. I'm talking to the wives. It has the ability. The way before NPP came to power, the way the battle is the Lord's. We love the Lord. The Lord is with us. Look at the NPP now and you will know that money, power and fame has the ability to make people proud, arrogant and disrespectful to people because they have something. Well, I want to tell you that something is vanity. That something is vanity. That you did buy the Duadaka BC airport and me who say, Unipanseri. Ubin a Jerry Rollins. Ubin a dinner to Adaka. Stop your nonsense all over the nation. You know, people can say, Mimi were boys, so yeah, Mama Bebo. Because now we can be able to rent private planes, ship millions of dollars. We do not even respect the opinion of other men. Arrogance. Okokan will be say, you know where do you be at him? Me be quote two scriptures be no pay ya. I need almost 18 cedis to get $1. Oh, forget about the figures Bank of Ghana are quoting. Please. The people who have the money are determining the money. If I go to my bank right now and I say I want $100,000, I don't think they could get it for me. I don't think so. 100,000. Oh, I've been to the bank before and the bank manager called the black market. Kofi Oduro, called the black market and said, and Abuchi said, we don't. Said, well, sir, then we can't help you. Bank is dependent on black market. You are a sick nation. You are a sick nation. Mujare. Omo eshes you to know. Ehwe womo a good nuyase. Mujare. Please don't make a mistake coming to talk nonsense. GDP growth, I don't want to hear nonsense. Please. We deserve better. We deserve better. We deserve better. 18 Ghana cedis to get $1. The other day I look at the money we carried to just get some few dollars. Money we carried in bag to get few dollars. Businessmen standing here, all your profit is gone. In taxes and in... Because yes, we are matching no pay bedidi.
Prophet Kofi Oduro na ekoti no ekwentom akra.